Ito na ang pinakamagandang topic sa buong universe. Drawing flag for steep edge sa ramp, MMDA personnel to assist PWDs. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net. Pero bago natin basa yung article, sinong tangang gagawa ng palpak na rampa tapos ipapa-assist na lang sa MMDA? Diyos ko! MMDA, ano na? Ito na yung article. The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA on Thursday said it would deploy personnel to assist persons with disabilities or PWDs who will have difficulty using ramp connected to a footbridge on EDSA, a structure that had earned the agency a fresh round of bashing on social media for being too steep, especially for those in wheelchairs. So magkakaroon na lang, maglalagay na sila ng tauhan para hindi masayang yung rampa. Ay, sound effects ko na to. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ang kwento kasi, mga kaibigan, gumawa ng PWD ramp ang DPWH sa isang sa EDSA busway. Nakalimutan ko yung specific station. Ito pala, EDSA Philam Busway Station. So, gumawa sila ng PWD ramp. And sa sobrang mabisa ang kanilang ginawa, ang standard po ng rampa ay nasa 4 degrees lamang. Pero ang ginawa nila 15 degrees. yung tarek. Diyos ko naman. Ito ang sabi ng MMDA sa Facebook page nila. We would like to inform the public that MRT or Metro Rail Transit 3 has a height restriction that the MMDA complied with. So it was not possible to construct the elevator to the level of the footbridge. So siguro yung mga nagsasabi na dapat ginawang elevator na lang, ayun yung sinagot nila. Pero sana naman kung gagawa kayo ng rampa, i-standard nyo naman, Diyos ko. Pictures and videos of the ramp of EDSA Philam Busway Station, which was inaugurated on Monday, went viral after netizens, among them is PWDs, noted how the ramp was proving to be unsafe for its intended users. Ito, one of the videos that showed a man in a wheelchair trying to descend the ramp facing backward, holding on to the rails for control and requiring help from a companion. So, paano naman yung mga PWD na wala nang kasama? Diba? Kailangan pang manghingi ng tulong, diba? Yung mga independent na PWDs. The ramp connects the footbridge to an elevator which PWD can use to enter or leave the station. Meron siyang elevator sa tabi. Maganda naman, okay naman. Pero after mo mag-elevator, dadaan ka sa rampa na yon. Ano sabi ng MMDA? Lagyan natin ng background music. Mali. Yan. It is not a perfect design. Alam nyo naman pala hindi perfect eh! Tinuloy niya pang hayop, Diyos ko. Maulit. It's not a perfect design, especially for those who are in wheelchair, but it's a big help for senior citizens, pregnant women, and other PWDs who don't have to use the stairs. Ginawa niyong walkway na yung rampa, Diyos ko naman. Matarik nga eh. May matulas pa dyan na buntes, Diyos ko naman. Di nag-iisip. The agency maintained that contrary to how the ramp appeared in the viral images, it is not that steep when one walks on it. So hindi pala PWD ramp ang ginawa, pantao lang. Diyos ka. Mga kumikitang kabuhayan na naman ito, mga kaibigan. The ramp, the agency said, was put up in a limited space, but without it, the elevator would not be integrated to the structure for the convenience of commuters. In an interview with reporters at an event in Manila, MMDA Acting Chair Romando Artes apologized for the inconvenience but parried criticisms that the ramp design was ill-conceived. Ito ang sabi niya, mga kaibigan. We consulted our architects and engineers at our Traffic Engineering Center. May consultation pa! Baka dun lumabas yung budget. This is really what we could do given the situation. We really brainstormed so that we can put the ramp up despite the challenges. The only option was to put it up as it is, which the ramp a bit steep, or there will be no elevator at all and our countrymen will have to use the stairs. In a way, it was very difficult decision on our part. We know that we will draw criticism for what we did, but again, it's not only those in wheelchairs who will use it. So, yun yung may dagdag pa pala. Based on our observation, there will be more users who are senior citizens, pregnant women, and PWD who don't require a wheelchair. Artes said the MMDA would consult an architectural firm for a possible solution. Pero ba't architectural yung ano? Ba't di nyo paano yung isama sa yung mga PWD sa paggawa ng solution? Diyos ko naman. Mamaya may sasabihin na tungkol dito. In 2018, the MMDA drew flag for the elevated EDSA Kamuning Footbridge. Yung Mount Kamuning. Gusto ko. Alam niyo na yun, yung Mount Kamuning. Sana, sa susunod, pag may gagawa ng mga PWD friendly na mga infrastructure or mga kung ano-ano, sana sa susunod yung chairman yung nag-approve na gumawa nung i-try nila habang naka-wheelchair. Gagawa kayo ng pang-wheelchair tapos, Diyos ko! Hanap tayo ng MMDA ramp memes. Para matuwa-tuwa man lang tayo. Wala, sa Facebook na lang. Maagap eh. Wala tayong magawa eh. MMDA ramp memes. Ito mga kaibigan, ang mga memes para sumayo-sayo man lang tayo ngayong araw. Una, ang MMDA gumawa na po ng slide sa EDSA. Bagsak mo, turbina. Happy swimming! Actually, mas madali nga ito sa PWD. Slide na lang ganun. Next, PWD rock to PWD slide real quick. From PWD to RIP nga daw eh. Slide ka na lang dyan. Gusto ka naman! Meron ba? Ito. Di ba ang sabi mo, sir, pwede yan? Ang sabi ko, PWD yan. Ayan, yan po ang consultation ng MMDA at ng engineer nito. Ano masasabi nyo sa hinayupak na rampa na yan? Comment down below. Ay nako.